Snowboard boots for beginners. I'm going to show you how to put on snowboard boots. So right here you have the outer shoe and you have an inner sock to the snowboard boots, which you can tighten by simply pulling down on this drawstring, and you pull it up on that red lever to loosen it up. Very easy. So there's an inner sock that you need. You need to loosen it up and loosen up the outside of the boot before putting it on. Then you go ahead and put your foot inside of the inner sock of the boot. You want to pull up the tongue and the back of the tongue to make sure that your foot is securely inside. And with this pulley right here, I'm going to take it and I'm going to pull it and slide that part down, and that tightens the boot. Now to loosen it, all I do is pull up on that red lever right there, and that loosens the boot if I need it to be loosened or to take out my foot. So once I've done that, sometimes I usually stand up to get a better fit inside, and then I tighten it, and then I go ahead and tuck in the drawstring for the inner sock. Now once I have that tucked in, my foot's secure, I go ahead and press down on this spinny knob right here and spin it. If you're facing it, spin it clockwise. Now to loosen it up, you just simply pull it out and it loosens up the boot. So you tighten it until it gets to the secure place that you need to. You see what I'm doing right here? The button is pressed in. Now to loosen it, just simply pull it outwards and it will loosen it if I need it to be loosened or to take it off. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the other boot. And this time, when you're looking at it, remember some of the things that I talked about. It will help you learn this process a little bit better. So I go ahead and I put in my boot inside of the shoe, again with a sock. Then I find this drawstring and I tighten the drawstring. Okay, so I'm going to tighten the drawstring to tighten up the inner sock of the boot. And I pull on the drawstring, or push the drawstring down as I pull on the string, and I go ahead and tuck the drawstring in, and again I push in the button and spin it clockwise that I'm facing right here. So if you're doing it yourself, it may be opposite, okay? So I'm doing it clockwise if I'm facing the boot. If someone's doing it for you, you press it in and do it clockwise to tighten up the boot so it is secure. Now it's important that your boots are fitted properly, because the next step is placing the boot inside of the board binders. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna make a little bit of secure moves in here to make sure that my pants is inside of the boot properly so I don't get snow down there when I'm snowboarding. So I loosened up the boot to make adjustments to my pants inner lining. Then I just press the button and tighten it, pull it out to loosen it. All right, press it in to tighten it to make sure that it is secure around the boot. Some minor adjustments that I'm doing right now. Tightening it up. So that's how you put on the boots for snowboarding. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and bring over the snowboard, and I'm going to put it into the bindings right here. So I pull back the back part of the binding and make sure it's unlatched. And so it's unlatched. I place my foot inside, and I'm doing the back part first a little bit, but typically you're supposed to do the front first to make sure the toe is secure, and then tighten it with the back latch for the binder. So I put it in, and then I'm cranking this right here to make sure that it's tight. The boot is tight and secure, and I'm going to go ahead and do it on the other foot as well. As you can see, I'm putting in the front binding. I'm supposed to put in the front binding first. It's always good to that. That way you can make sure that your heel is flush against the back of the binder. Binder boot holder. All right, so I have that into place, and then I'm going to do the top part, and I'm going to tighten it to the point to where it's secure. And they're both secure, both feet are secure. I just double check and make sure that it looks properly fitted, and I'm ready to go ahead and snowboard. Now to release it, I just pull back up on the latch just like that, and I do it the same thing on the other side, and that way I'm able to get out of the binders and out of my snowboard. Well, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. I thank you a lot for watching. Have a good